Here is a 2016 Hunter Builders Deluxe ceiling fan in the gazebo here in my grandparents' retirement home community. So yeah, this replaced a Hampton Bay Havana ceiling fan from the late 2000s, I believe. And this is actually a pretty decent fan for being a newer Hunter. It moves the blades spin pretty fast. It moves a decent breeze. Now, this fan hasn't been taken that much care of. There are a few leaves in the globe, but I don't think this is an outdoor rated fan, as far as I know, so they should have gotten an outdoor rated fan, but yeah. So, it does work. Here is the, light. It's got the, newer Hunter logo, of course. One of the light bulbs burned out. So yeah, here is low. Now I actually really like this low speed. It actually moves a little bit of air and it spins relatively fast for being low speed. Yeah, I can actually feel it moving just a tiny bit of air, so that's good. Here is medium. And there is a leaf stuck in the blade, so that's what's causing that noise. It does have a little bit of a humming sound. And then here is high. It does wobble just a little. It actually moves air. I can feel a significant breeze, so this is actually pretty decent for sure for being a newer Hunter fan. But the motor doesn't sound too good though. It sounds like the bearings may be going bad on it. Pushes air, I mean. And then here is off. So yeah, thank you for watching, and it's over now.